026 New Bajaj Chetak Electric Scooter, that legacy moves fully into the future. This isn't just another electric scooter refresh, it's Bajaj making a clear statement about where urban mobility is headed and how traditional brands can evolve without losing their soul. The 2026 Chetak positions itself as a premium yet practical electric scooter, built for modern city riders who care about design, durability, and long-term value. It's not trying to be flashy for the sake of attention. Instead, it focuses on refinement, usability, and trust, three things that matter more than ever in the growing EV market. Design philosophy, retro roots, modern confidence. The design of the 2026 Bajaj Chetak stays loyal to its retro-inspired identity, but everything feels tighter, cleaner, and more purposeful. The all-metal body remains one of its biggest strengths, setting it apart from many plastic-heavy competitors. This gives the scooter a solid, premium feel that instantly communicates quality. Subtle design updates are expected for 2026, including sharper panel lines, improved paint finishes, and new color options aimed at a more global audience. The scooter doesn't scream futuristic, but it doesn't look outdated either. Instead, it lands in a sweet spot where classic styling meets modern expectations, making it appealing to both younger riders and longtime Bajaj fans. Build quality and practical engineering. One of the defining traits of the Chetak has always been its build quality, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. The scooter feels engineered, not assembled. Panel gaps are tight, the frame feels rigid, and the overall structure is clearly designed to last years, not just a warranty period. Weather resistance is another major focus. Bajaj is expected to further improve water sealing for electronics and battery components, making the 2026 Chetak better suited for real-world riding conditions, rain, dust, heat, and uneven roads. This is a scooter designed for daily use. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak Electric is all about smooth, predictable performance. Instead of chasing extreme top speeds, Bajaj focuses on delivering instant torque that feels natural in city traffic. Acceleration is controlled, silent, and confidence-inspiring, especially at low and mid-range speeds where urban riders spend most of their time. Expected refinements to the motor and controller software should improve efficiency and responsiveness. The ride feels calm rather than aggressive, which makes it ideal for commuters, professionals, and riders who prioritize comfort over thrill. This scooter isn't trying to race, it's trying to make everyday riding effortless. Battery technology and real-world range. Battery performance is at the heart of any electric scooter, and the 2026 Chetak aims to deliver dependable real-world range rather than exaggerated numbers. Bajaj is likely to refine its lithium-ion battery pack for better thermal management, longer lifespan, and more consistent output over time. Charging convenience remains a key focus. The scooter supports home charging, making it practical for apartment dwellers and city users. Improvements in charging speed and efficiency are expected, reducing downtime and increasing daily usability. The emphasis here is peace of mind, knowing your scooter will be ready when you need it. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort is where the Chetak truly shines. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, offering excellent visibility in traffic. The seat is wide, well-cushioned, and designed for longer commutes without fatigue. Suspension tuning favors stability and smoothness, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with confidence. The low center of gravity from the battery placement improves balance, making the scooter easy to handle at slow speeds and stable at higher ones. Whether navigating crowded streets or cruising through open roads, the 2026 Chetak feels composed and predictable, exactly what most riders want. Smart features. Connected features may include smartphone integration, navigation assistance, ride statistics, and remote monitoring through a companion app. Bajaj's approach remains practical rather than gimmicky, features that add real value instead of unnecessary distractions. Everything is designed to work smoothly in the background. Safety and braking confidence. Safety remains a priority for the 2026 Chetak. Disc brakes, improved regenerative braking, and refined braking response give riders confidence in both emergency stops and everyday riding. The scooter is designed to brake smoothly and predictably, even in wet conditions. Structural integrity also plays a role in safety. The metal body and robust chassis provide a sense of protection rarely found in this segment. Bajaj's focus is on building a scooter that feels safe not just on paper, but in actual daily use. Ownership experience and reliability. Bajaj's biggest advantage lies in its brand trust and service network. The 2026 Chetak benefits from widespread service availability, trained technicians, and long-term part support. This makes ownership less stressful, especially for riders new to electric vehicles. Maintenance requirements remain minimal thanks to the electric drivetrain. Fewer moving parts mean fewer breakdowns and lower running costs. Over time, this translates into significant savings compared to traditional gas scooters, without sacrificing reliability. Market positioning and target audience. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak Electric Scooter is clearly aimed at riders who value quality, comfort, and long-term dependability. It's ideal for urban professionals, daily commuters, and families looking for a trustworthy electric option. Rather than competing purely on price, Bajaj positions the Chetak as a premium, well-built alternative in the EV space. It's not the cheapest, and it doesn't try to be. Instead, it focuses on offering a balanced, refined experience that holds its value over time. Environmental impact and future mobility. Electric scooters like the 2026 Chetak play a growing role in reducing urban emissions and noise pollution. With zero tailpipe emissions and near-silent operation, the scooter fits perfectly into the future of smart, sustainable cities. Bajaj's continued investment in electric mobility signals a long-term commitment, not a short-term experiment. The Chetak represents a step toward cleaner transportation without forcing riders to compromise on comfort or reliability. Final thoughts: why the 2026 Chetak matters. The 2026 new Bajaj Chetak electric scooter isn't about hype. It's about evolution done right. It respects its heritage while embracing modern technology in a thoughtful, user-focused way. Every update feels intentional, every feature has a purpose, and every design choice reflects real-world needs. For riders looking to transition into electric mobility with confidence, the 2026 Chetak stands out as a mature, well-rounded option. It proves that the future of scooters doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to work.